Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is Adverb Phrase 8. The adverb phrase today is scot-free. Okay, let's take a look at the note. If someone gets off scot-free, he or she gets off without any punishment or injury. So they get off with no punishment at all. All right, let's continue here. Some people think this term was related to a famous slave called Dred Scott, who had famous law cases going all the way to the Supreme Court to fight for his freedom. So some people think this is where the origin may have come from. In 1857, he lost the case, but was eventually given freedom by his owner. So it does sound a little bit like that, scot-free, even though the spelling is different. Scot-free only has one T, and Dred Scott actually had two T's in his name. Well, let's continue here. However, others say this is not the origin. It is believed to come from a Scandinavian term called scat, which meant tax. Eventually, scat became Scot. Getting off scot-free meant getting off without having to pay the tax. So if you got off without paying tax, you got off with like no punishment or no harm at all, basically. Anyway, let's give a couple of examples here of the way we use it today. Even though that celebrity was accused of murder, the evidence was not strong enough, and he probably had some good lawyers. He ended up getting off scot-free, so he got off with no punishment at all. Okay, on number 2 here, because he had high connections, he made a phone call, and soon after the judge dropped the charges, he was able to get off scot-free. So he had high connections. He knew somebody very powerful who made a phone call probably to the judge, and then somehow the judge dropped the charges, and this guy, he got off scot-free. No punishment at all. Okay, good. Anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it's clear. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.